Hello, my name is Laurent Vohan, and I'm going to teach you how to send NFT and any kind of smart contract to the BSN DDC blockchain. In fact, if you check OpenSea, Ethereum, everything, it's gonna maybe be crash because they're gonna block the exchange like Binance. And then we are going to enter in the new order economic. You have the solution between Occident, the dollar, and you have the solution between the BRICS, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Then me, I chose the technology of the BRICS. Then we're gonna see we have BSN DDC. It's a Chinese from Hong Kong company. I think they work with Red Date, and they have a blockchain connect to the Yuan blockchain. But for now, you don't have any DApp. You can create DApp easily. You have the tutorial everywhere to show you how to do it. But we did it to show you easily how it's work, to show you how it's solid. And then with the Yuan chain, we work on Ethereum protocol. It's an open data center and an open source also protocol because it's Ethereum. Here we have a NFT marketplace. All the NFT you saw there, they are NFT on the Chinese blockchain Spartan 1. Here I show you what we do. We have to register. Me, I'm going to log in. But when you register, you have automatically a custody wallet. Then it means that for the user, it's more easy if you never do crypto money, if your customer never do crypto money, they can buy you an NFT without installing MetaMask and everything. It's very important. We add artificial intelligence power for now with Google, but we're going to specialize it for the NFT and the crypto money. And we also have here a mint process on a OpenSea. If you want to send 100 NFT, it's complicated. Here we do a very simple system. From local, you can upload 100 file, and from TikTok you can also import the 30 last video that I'm going to show you, and I'm going to test at the same time because I never tried it already. Yeah, it's work well. I authorize, and then I can be sure my NFT are the real one. I have my number of follower, my number of following, my number of like, and then I can use this to create automatically NFT. Then I just select the last NFT from it. I can select one by one, and I can select all, and then I mint them. Okay. It's one click install, one click we try it to be very fast and very easy for the people to connect and to send NFT. On OpenSea you have to import your move. Sometime when you do it with your telephone, OpenSea don't accept it because the files are going to be converted in the wrong file system. Then us, you can import everything in one click. It's very important that you understand this because the Web 4 is for the user. Web 1 technician, Web 2 user, Web 3 technician again, and Web 4 is going to be for the user. And then we anticipate on the blockchain. Here, all the NFTs they are indestructible. Now, when you want to mint NFT, you need gas. How to get gas? Here, you go directly to the Chinese company BSN, you buy here credit. And you can also connect your own wallet. Then, when you connect your wallet, you must be on the Spartan blockchain, and we connect you automatically to the blockchain. And here, when you want to buy gas to work with this blockchain, you enter your wallet again, how much you want. You want, if you put 20 euro, you can mint 2000 NFT. Ethereum, it's very cheap. And here you put your mail, you get the verification code. They send you the code by mail. You enter your code, and then you pay by Visa, Mastercard, and everything. Okay, it's very simple. It's very easy. I wish you understand how it's work. Here, for now, it's a marketplace on development to show how it's work. But all the smart contract you are going to do on this marketplace, they're going to be real smart contract. But for now, we have to do a system for the payment, and we have to check when we want to buy NFT. We want to resolve all of this because for the money transfer it's kind of complicated for now, but we're going to solve the solution with Stripe. For example, people, they can buy us NFT by Stripe. Okay. Okay, all the best to you. I wish you like this short tutorial. If you have any questions, you can contact me. I give you my mail. Here is my mail. And if you want to work with those company, and run arobase gmail. Here you have my mail if you want to work with me. And if you want to work with company BSN DDC, you can find them on a very reactive Telegram group. Yeah, you have official BSN that you can find, I guess, on the website. Up here, maybe Spartan support, contact us, maybe here. For us, it's very important that people use this system because they use crypto as marketing tools, as marketing knowledge. And here we are in technician knowledge. You can be a Satoshi Nakamoto from here. You can create metaverse. You can create crypto money, full crypto money. You can create marketplace, NFT. You can create everything because here it's indestructible. Since the Chinese civilization exists, the OPB will exist and the protocol will exist. Then it's the first time that in the blockchain we are 100% securized. Okay.